You're listening to the BizNews Power Hour, brought to you by the team at biznews.com. Let's get into the markets. Justin Rowe-Roberts has been watching as always.
The JSE All Share Index was slightly down for the day. The miners were worst affected, most of them down on the day due to weaker commodity spot prices. Harmony Gold and Kumba Iron Ore were the two worst performers on the commodity counters front. Financials were up across the board. We saw an upbeat trading statement from FirstRand this morning, with banking shares continuing their great start to the year, with Standard Bank being a laggard relative to the rest of the big banks so far this year, that being FirstRand, Absa, Nedbank and Capitec. JSE heavyweights Richmond and AB InBev were also in the green today, with the luxury goods provider and distiller also having provided solid trading updates to the market in the last few weeks. And lastly, Anglo-American spin-off Thungela Resources listed on the JSE and LSE today. The thermal coal miner listed at 25 Rand and is currently 14% down on the local bars and more than 25% down on the LSE after Boatman Capital's report suggesting the company is worthless. In the currency markets, the rand was flat against all the major currencies to 13 Rand 53 cents to the dollar, 19 Rand 17 cents to the pound, and 16 Rand 48 cents to the euro. Gold is trading at $1,889 an ounce. Brent crude is flat at $71.75 an ounce. The Kruger Rand will put you back 27,500 Rand, and a Bitcoin is trading at 488,000 Rand per coin.
Justin, you got hold of the guys from Boatman Capital who have caused so much pain in Thungela Resources' supposed celebratory day. Are these people to be believed?
It's hard to say, Alec. I haven't read the full report. It is detailed. It is 39 pages. It is definitely something I'm going to have a look at. However, for now, it does seem like speculation. Although it's interesting. I think when you get a coal mining company, ESG concerns, and then a hedge fund coming out this report, you can expect a horrible day. A down day was expected, but 14% on the JSE and more than 25% on the LSE. There's a lot of value being lost right now.
Well, we do know that Anglo-American wanted to get rid of its coal assets in South Africa because it does not comply with environmental, social and governance, this new ESG issue that you spoke about. So I guess there were always going to be a lot of willing sellers.
Exactly, and we've got to remember that Anglo-American is a multinational company. Yes, it's listed on the JSE, one of its secondary listings. It's listed in multiple jurisdictions all over the world. And given there's going to be some forced selling, international investors don't want to be holding a South African thermal coal company, because coal is very unloved for good reasons. A whole bunch of green energy initiatives are coming through the pipeline. And in 10 years' time, there's a good chance that coal won't be used as a source of power.
I guess the other thing, if you're looking from a global perspective, is you see South African rand at very strong levels relative to where it was in the past. If you can cash in those rands today on the JSE and get a lot more pounds than you might be getting in 6-12 months' time. Something that Andre Cilliers is going to tell us about coming up a little later.
Yes, exactly, Alec. I think you've hit the nail on the head now. And reading your letter you sent out this morning, I think it is a great time for all investors to maybe thinking about the possibility of investing abroad. We are at 13 Rand 50. Piet Viljoen did tell us the other week it can get stronger from here. But regardless if it gets 10 or 15% stronger, at 13 Rand 50, it does seem like a good time to invest some money offshore, increase your US portfolio, even your European portfolio, and see where things go. I'm sure it'll work out well a year out from now.